Hello, I'm Katerina Alexiou and I'm Professor of Co-Design and Place based in the Design Group in the School of Engineering and Innovation. In this presentation, I would like to talk a little bit about my research, which is focused on co-design and co-production with communities and organizations across sectors who are involved in placemaking and creative civic action. I use and develop co-design methods and approaches to help individuals and organizations to develop a vision or shared mission for the place and work together to make it happen. I have worked in over 15 externally funded projects in this area with my colleagues Theos Amenopoulos and Vera Hell and other colleagues from design, and our strategic partner, the Glasshouse Community-Led Design. The Glasshouse is a national charity which supports community leadership, collaboration and design quality in the built environment. Together we have managed to produce a number of open source resources for practitioners and communities, such as guidance, toolkits, websites, films, and this includes a Future Learn course on community engagement and co-design in the context of renovation, adaptation of historic faith buildings, and also recently some Open Learn resources for the newly established Design Hub focused on co-design and co-design approaches. Some examples of my research include a project which finished a few years ago and involved colleagues across the faculties and partners such as Historic England and National Lottery Heritage Fund. And the focus was on working with people looking after historic places of worship, helping them to engage with their wider communities and to develop plans for the buildings that would ensure their relevance and sustainability in the long term. Another example is working with the Latin American community in North London, helping them develop a virtual platform to engage local businesses and residents in a community plan for the local market. A more recent project is called Cross-Pollination and was funded under AHRC's PLACE program. As part of this project, we worked with our strategic partners, the Glasshouse Community-Led Design, as well as local partners in England, Scotland and Wales. And the aim was to bring people from different sectors and organizations together to start having a productive conversation by building on existing assets, projects, resources, skills, and to imagine ways to add value to what's happening locally and to incubate social innovations. We started with the intention of working with 3 partners in 3 locations, and by the end of the project we had expanded to work with 12 partners in 5 places, reaching over 400 people. Very quickly, as an example, in Merthyr, we worked in collaboration with the Open University in Wales, with the local authority and other local organizations, and this led to Our Gurners, an open day event exposing local residents to different creative and cultural activities and organizations and inviting them to participate in shaping their local place and services. We also worked with food growing and environmental initiatives in Glasgow and in London, and we worked with local government and local community organizations in Sheffield and in Edinburgh. Going forward, the aspiration is to use cross-pollination to build capacity for co-design and cross-sector collaboration and to incubate and support place-based social innovation at scale. So we would like to scale up our work and its impact, reaching more people, particularly those most marginalized or underserved, and in general to develop further opportunities for community academic partnerships to support research, teaching and knowledge exchange. I talked mainly about research, but a lot of this work is feeding into our teaching through some of the resources I already mentioned. I'm also currently involved in the new design qualification, BDES, and I'm chair of a new module in stage 2, and there we're looking to innovate in terms of external engagement and employability through project-based work and by looking to provide opportunities for students to engage with externally defined briefs with live projects. Thank you very much, and do get in touch if you're interested in any of these activities and ideas. Thank you.